Did you know that relying solely on cash for passive income could actually be holding you back financially? In today's economic climate, there are powerful alternatives to cash that can generate far better returns, and I'm excited to show you how they can help accelerate your path to financial freedom. So, if you're ready to learn how to grow your wealth and make your money work harder, hit subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to get the latest insights on financial freedom strategies. When most people think of passive income, they immediately think of cash. And while having cash reserves is essential for emergencies, using cash as your primary source of passive income may not be as effective as you think. With inflation rates climbing and interest rates on savings accounts remaining stagnant, cash doesn't provide the growth or protection it once did. In fact, it can even diminish your wealth over time. So what can we do? We need to explore smarter investment alternatives to build a strong, diversified passive income stream. Cash might feel safe, but it's limited in its earning potential. With current interest rates averaging around 1% to 2% at best, cash is unlikely to outpace inflation. Think about it. Inflation gradually erodes the value of cash, meaning that what you can buy with it decreases year after year. For example, a $100 bill from 10 years ago had far more purchasing power than it does today. With this trend, relying on cash for passive income could mean a lower quality of life down the road. By investing in alternative asset classes, we can diversify our income sources and improve our chances of achieving better financial stability. But what are some alternatives to cash? And how can they actually outperform cash while still keeping our investments accessible? One big advantage of cash is its liquidity. We can access it immediately if needed, which is why it's wise to keep a cash reserve for emergencies. But what if there were other ways to keep your money accessible while still earning a much higher return? This is where alternative investments come in. Many investment options today can provide liquidity, security, and much better returns, making them excellent additions to our financial strategy. Real estate is one of the most popular alternatives to cash for generating passive income, especially with the rise of platforms like Fundrise or REITs, real estate investment trusts. These options allow you to invest in property without buying or managing a building yourself. Real estate not only provides rental income, but it also appreciates in value over time, helping you build wealth. For example, a well-chosen rental property could offer returns of 8 to 12% per year. Imagine a $50,000 investment that generates $4,000 to $6,000 annually, in addition to appreciating in value over time. With real estate, you're not only building passive income, but also growing a long-term asset. Next, we have dividend stocks, which are shares of companies that pay you a portion of their earnings just for owning them. Companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble have been paying dividends for decades. The average return from dividends alone can be between 3% to 5% annually, with the potential for stock appreciation adding to your wealth. Picture this. If you build a portfolio that yields $500 a month in dividends, that's $6,000 a year without you lifting a finger. Many dividend-focused ETFs also offer a diversified way to tap into this passive income stream without picking individual stocks. Peer-to-peer lending is another compelling option, where you essentially become the bank by lending money to individuals or small businesses in need. Platforms like LendingClub and Prosper facilitate these loans, allowing you to earn interest, often 5 to 8% or more, on the money you lend. The benefit here is that you can diversify your loans across many borrowers to mitigate risk. Think about it. Even with a modest investment, peer-to-peer lending can offer solid returns over time and requires little to no active management. Digital assets like cryptocurrency have also become a viable alternative for passive income, especially with the rise of crypto staking and yield farming. By staking, you essentially lock your cryptocurrency on a network like Ethereum or Polkadot, earning rewards over time. Platforms like Binance and Coinbase offer staking services that can provide annual returns ranging from 4% to 12%, depending on the asset. While it's important to note that crypto carries higher volatility, for those willing to take calculated risks, the returns can be impressive. While traditional cash doesn't offer much, high-yield savings accounts and money market accounts can offer better returns with minimal risk. Some online banks provide high-yield savings accounts with interest rates up to 4% or more, offering a safer way to beat inflation while keeping your money accessible. If you're conservative with your risk tolerance but still want a better return than a standard savings account, these options can serve as a good balance. Diversifying across these alternative investments is key to building a resilient passive income stream. Each of these alternatives, real estate, dividend stocks, peer-to-peer lending, crypto staking, and high-yield accounts, offers different benefits and risk levels. By spreading your investments, you reduce your dependency on one income source and shield your portfolio from market volatility. Diversification allows you to capture more growth and provides more flexibility in changing economic conditions. While cash offers security, it doesn't offer the growth needed to build substantial wealth. By exploring alternative income streams, you open the door to greater financial flexibility, stronger protection against inflation, and a faster path to financial independence. Cash will always play a role in your finances, but pairing it with diversified investments is the key to unlocking long-term prosperity. Ready to explore new paths to passive income? Leave a comment sharing which alternative income stream excites you the most, and check out my other videos for more insights on wealth building and financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in financial strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.